Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you my workflow from Blender to Godot and how I export rich arms and weapon and of course animate it into Godot, which are the specs that we need to follow. So we can see that the weapon is completely rigged, and also there's something that we need to pay attention to that is child of bone constraint that allows to make the animation correctly when the mag is unattached from the weapon. So you can see, for example, here the real animation starts. When the mag is unattached, we animate the influence value to 0 so we can still continue to move the weapon meanwhile the mag is unattached. So this is one of the things to keep in mind when doing this kind of animations. Okay, so here I'm showing you guys a little preview how to create a new action. We press the two pages icon and then we specify the name of the action, and we make sure that the shell icon is pressed so every keyframe that is inserted is being correctly saved automatically. Otherwise you can lose progress. You don't want that. And you can see here that we construct the animation created frames. This will be teaching another tutorial. This is just the workflow, and the most important thing is the configuration that we specify when exporting the file. So here we are seeing the animation and then the important part. We press File Export GLTF 2.0. Okay, so pay attention to this. In the animation section, so we can see that we have shape keys animation selected and sampling animation selected, but we need to go to the rest and ranges section and select limit to playback range. So pressing this will make sure that all the animations are correctly clipped. Now we can export the model into the game engine. We press double click to access the import settings. Below the animation player section, we can see each of the action. We can also press play to display the animation. Then we go to actions, set animation save path to save each individual animation that will serve us later to specify the animation player node. And then we can see the scene general configuration to the rescale 0.45. And finally, we can see the preview of the game. So we can see how it is arranged. We'll see that there's a parent node, a parent tree node that arms and the weapon separated. Each one will be a duplication of the base model. So the arm will have the arm animation and the weapon will have the weapons animations. And then the script will play together. So this is the reload animation, and we try out the full reload animation. Yeah. Here it is. And this is how it's done. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you're interested in a set of tutorials about this.